and it is about the air pollution and the air quality index. Let's cut across to those details which are coming in. There are 5 states before the Supreme Court that have put up their responses. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Delhi have filed their responses. Delhi says that GRAP-4 measures along with odd even have been implemented. They also talk about the various other restrictions that have been put in place. They also say, the Delhi government also says that cooperation is necessary from the neighbouring states to control the pollution levels. Delhi government argues that the efforts are underway to control the pollution levels, especially in the National Capital Territory. Ananya with us on the broadcast. Ananya, we spoke about what Delhi has said. I believe there has been a response by 5 states. Anything important that these 5 states have said that you can highlight for our viewers?
Well, definitely these 5 states also include the National Capital Territory, and if I'll read down the portion exactly for you, the Delhi government has said that they have implemented the GRAP-4 policy. The odd-even scheme has now been implemented in order to control the vehicular pollution, and very, very importantly, Anusha, it says that the cooperation from the neighboring state is required to control pollution. So now the Delhi government is back to its own, saying that the neighboring states should come in and go for tactics that actually reduces the pollution in the NCR region. Further, it goes on to say that the Delhi government had made sincere efforts last time in the last year to in fact control firecrackers, which are said to be one of the major reasons for pollution in the national capital. And however, because the other neighboring states including Haryana, including UP, did not have a ban on firecrackers, that's the reason why in fact the pollution remained the same. The efforts of the Delhi government went into vain. Next comes up is in fact the Rajasthan government, which says that the stubble burning is not a common phenomena in the state of Rajasthan. 500-493 vehicles have been slapped with challans not having certificates of pollution control. It also goes on to say that in fact the next is the UP government, which says that immediate and long term, interestingly the Uttar Pradesh government has said that they're not only taking immediate measures but also long term measures to control these pollution menace, and in fact scientific help is being sought from IIT Kanpur and other top institutes of the country in order to
I appreciate you putting what the Delhi government has said, because they must be held accountable for what's happening in the national capital. But I'm particularly curious about what Punjab and Haryana have said. Farm fires in large numbers have been reported from these 2 states. It's a fact. That's not the sole cause of pollution, but a major cause of pollution. And controlling these pollution levels is something that has been spoken of. Has Punjab and Haryana said anything particular about stubble burning and farm fires, and what are they doing to control it?
Well, definitely, if we go for since the Haryana government's affidavit that we had received was a little corrupt file, we could not read, we could not open that particular file when it had come to us. But the Punjab government has very, very categorically stated, and I'll quote, that the Punjab government says that sincere efforts are being made to control the stubble burning and making the state free from stubble burning incidents. In fact, the state of Punjab is making sincere endeavors to make the entire state free from stubble burning incidents in the coming years. However, it is stated that the problem of stubble burning, which is continuing for the last many years, will gradually decrease and vanish with the collective efforts of the state of Punjab and the central government. So now it has been taken by the Punjab government by and another important aspect, Anusha, that has been highlighted by the Punjab government is that they're using technology, they're using satellite imagery and Android apps to control and monitor the incidents of stubble burning in the state. So how much of it does it play up before the Supreme Court? What the Supreme Court will have to say today when the hearing comes up before the bench headed by the Mr. Sanjay Kishan Kaul and the other members of the bench. So we'll have to wait and watch for that, what happens next in this particular case.
Right, interesting to see what Haryana also says, but stubble burning, and more importantly the fact that Aam Aadmi Party rules in Delhi and in Punjab. They came to power in Punjab and told the Delhites that once we have Punjab, we'll control the farm fires. That hasn't happened. We continue to choke here in the national capital.